Good morning. It is it 7:38 or 8:38? I don't know what time zone. 8:38 a.m. today. I just got the next delivery assigned to me, and I'm gonna head over there right now, right after I do my inspections. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. That thing is loud. I'm parked one spot away and I could hear that thing while I was sleeping or trying to sleep. It's a refrigerated trailer. Like, he probably has like food in there or something, stuff that needs to be kept frozen, and there's no driver, but I think I know why. Because he probably couldn't sleep either with that thing being so close to his truck. Okay, this delivery I'm picking up 42 minutes away, just north of me. We'll call it an hour away. Now it looks like, I'm looking at Google Maps right now, satellite view. It looks like this place is just an empty lot, but I don't trust it. You know, maybe by the time I get there, it'll be completely full. So we're gonna play it extra safe, and we're gonna go to where I know I can fit. This looks like a pretty safe entrance right here. You just go straight, 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 and then there, plenty of space to turn. Probably make a U-turn in there. And then you just go here. The more straights I can drive in a semi-truck, the better. So that's the plan. How do I get out of this truck stop? Which way am I going? Oh no, I think that way was the entrance, and then you should be able to fit through here around this building. There we go. That sign says no left turns. Why are you telling me to turn left? You're telling me to turn left too. I'm turning right. I can't see it. Where are you guys gonna lead me to? Am I gonna get lost? I just left the truck stop, man. You're already gonna get me lost. Okay, left, left. I need to go left. Left.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Yeah. The light changed midway while I was through an intersection.
Northwest Street.
Alright, in another mile you want me to make another left.
Take the ramp on the right to I-77 north toward Akron.
This one, I-77 north.
Take the I-77 north ramp. In a quarter mile, merge onto I-77 north.
Alright, how many? I saw two white cars. I saw two white SUVs coming on the highway. Where are the white SUVs? There was two. They were paired together. I'll get in front of this box truck. Oh, I know this guy's gonna cut me off and prevent me from going in. Why is this one telling me to go straight? There's nothing there. And then this one's telling me to go here. The entrance is right here. It just says to turn right on this road, and then the truck entrance will be on the left. Oh no. Oh no, it says no trucks. But that's the entrance. Alright, you want me to turn right here, and then straight, and then another right. We're just making a bunch of rights.
1/2 mile, turn right on Broadway Avenue.
This is the place. Okay, it says delivery entrance on the side. Oh my god. Go ahead, man. I'm blocking the whole road. There's no one here.
Your destination is on the left.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, this is the right place. There's gotta be an easier way to get into this place than that. That's the entrance that said no truck sign. But that place looks easier to get in here than the route that I took. I'm gonna park to your right. Alright, I'm gonna go check in. And then, yeah, we'll see where he wants me to go. Alright, he had a dock open and ready for me. He told me to back into dock number 2, which is that one in the middle right there. Oh gosh. Where did this guy come from? Man. Alright, green guy, you're still parking? Alright, and then these guys Y'all aren't gonna take my dock, man. I gotta sign the dock number 2. I don't know what this guy's doing. I don't know what this guy's doing. I'm gonna take it before you guys do something, and then you guys take it.
Turn left.
Tandems now. What are you doing? The heck are you? This guy literally parking on my dock. Ah, he's going in 3. Literally cut me. Alright, they are all done. I gotta find a place to park this thing. Oh, that definitely needs to be strapped down. Now this delivery is very light. It's 9,000 and I think like 42 pounds. It's a feather. So to counteract the how light it is, I had to move the wheels on the trailer. Like you can slide them more forward or more backward. I slid them a little more backward than I usually do. And that's because like the more back they are, you're not pushed around as much by the wind. So I have to make really wide turns. I need to change into, you know what happened? I traveled to so many different states in the country. I went to Louisiana, 92 degrees, and then I go somewhere else, it's 40 degrees. And then here's 71 degrees. But then I went to Minnesota. It's freezing there. And ever since I went to Minnesota, everywhere I go, and there's a sign that says right lane's closed. So I gotta get in the left lane. Alright, back on the highway we go. Okay, Garmin. Truck stop along my route. Scroll down. 9. Add as next stop. Guys, I'm not coming in line. I just need to find a parking spot. I don't need fuel. It is parking. Oh, Swift with the trainer. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm not parking next to him. Okay. I got probably the last free parking spot here. It's 3:30. How is there no parking? Oh, well, this is well, this truck stop only has like maybe 30 parking spots, so it's a really small one. Alright, this is gonna be the spot where I camp out tonight because this delivery isn't due and it's an appointment only at 8 a.m. tomorrow. Wow. My gosh, this is the smallest shower ever. What the heck is this? Yes, I work out after I shower. Reason being is because every time I try to take a shower after I work out like a normal person, there's never a shower available. I'm always, every time, I'm waiting in line for a shower to open up. Like usually 30 minutes to an hour. So I'm just like, no, I'm not gonna waste time. And besides, I don't even sweat because it's all like strength workouts. Like it's not cardio at all. It's fine. My goal is to be 160 pounds but ripped. And also Huel, they sent me this protein powder and I like it because it's actually regulated by the FDA and has all these vitamins and minerals. So Huel, thank you for sending me this and supporting me. Good morning. It is the next day. I have 4.5 hours left on this delivery, but there was a fire and I could see it from here and it's in the other state. It's like half an hour away in Indiana. Right now I'm in Ohio, Eden, Ohio, and it's this place right here, Richmond, like fulfillment. They make plastic and recyclable stuff, so all that stuff is very toxic and it's in the air right now. I have some space, you know, some distance going around it, but it's still pretty close. So I'm gonna have to drive with this thing on, which means it doesn't take any outside air. Like it just recycles the air in the cab and it filters that, so that way I'm not breathing in at least as much plastic while I pass by. I never clean these. Where is this place? I don't know. Okay, this is the place where I'm delivering at. It's right here. It's huge, but that's the place I just passed where the gate was closed. It does say there's another entrance there. Oh no, right now I'm facing this way. Where do I go? It's left on Jeffrey. This is Jeffrey Street. Yeah, this is Jeffrey. Jeff, you want me to go left? Really? That wasn't it. Oh, it's over here. Okay, that's the building right there. The whole place. Oh my gosh, pretty pothole. They do CDL training here. And then there's this. There's a dead end. Then I can probably make this this loop-de-loop here. Should be able to. Okay. Okay, Freightliner. Dun 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 dun. Is this it? No, man. How am I supposed to park in there? Is this the right place? This is the right place. This is the right place. Oh, heck no. On Google Maps, there's nothing there. What the heck is this? I don't wanna. Okay, I'm just gonna. Oh, is that it? That's probably it. They have a ramp here. It's plenty of space. I don't know if this is it, but I mean, I'm gonna park in front of that, because most likely that's where they're gonna start unloading the truck. What's that sign say? All trucks. What's that sign? All trucks that way. There's nothing over there. There's nothing over there, right? There's nothing over there. I'm just gonna park here. Alright, the guy said, I went to go check in, and the guy said this is the wrong spot to park. So he wants me to go over here and then just literally park in the middle of the road, and then so that's what I'm gonna do. Oh my gosh, these freaking potholes. Let's see. A bunch of packages. Alright, that's an extra 50 bucks to help unload the trailer. I'm here at my company location because the truck needs some preventative maintenance stuff like oil change and like greasing the truck, all that, just to make sure everything's perfect. Overall, I'd say this delivery was, I mean, there was no problems. It was a pretty piece of cake. I will say I'm happy to be here at the headquarters, because we have laundry, showers, video game, we have everything here. Most importantly, we have my little island that I like to sit out over there in the woods, overlooking the river. And so yeah, with that said, this is gonna be it. So goodbye.